Hello, this is Madison Parker. You're in the Echo Park booth. We're here to show you our new line for March. It's from Cardabella. It's called Summer Splash. It's designed by Steve Duncan. It's a retro water, so it's beach, it's pool. Such cute elements. The bottle caps, the flamingos, the flip-flops. Just such great elements. Look at this guy right here. I mean, isn't that awesome? So there's 12 papers. It's a great element. 12 papers, a collection kit, and a 12 by 12 sticker. It has a 6 by 6 pad, 2 stencils, 2 ephemeras. So we have the regular ephemera and we have frames and tags ephemera. And we have enamel dots that we've now created them to where you can cut them in half, and so you can actually have equal parts on. So you and your friend can do a project and you can just give her half. We also have the chipboard accents and chipboard phrases. All of our lines are now going to have 2 chipboards. In fact, some of them will even have 3. But this is Summer Splash. It ships in March. Definite must-have.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!